Schools Radio. Torture.
Museveni rally unites TESO leaders after a year of rivalry. A very good afternoon to all listeners of 98.2 JANAN FM. Joel Chiweru is my name with the afternoon news. On the 1st of November 2025, excitement mounted across Katakwi and Amoria as President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the NRM flag bearer, prepared to hold campaign rallies in the two districts, marking the third day of his 2026 re-election drive in the TESO sub-region. The rally at Katakwi Bomber Grounds drew thousands of supporters who witnessed a rare public show of solidarity among Vice President Jessica Rose Alupo, State Minister for Sports Peter Ogwang, and Speaker of Parliament Anita Among. The TESO campaign rally has been followed by similar rails in Kapelebyong, Kapela Maido, and Kalaki, where President Museveni urged residents to consolidate the gains of peace and stability by voting for the NRM in the upcoming 2026 general elections. Well, you have been a good listener since I started. Thank you for listening. I remain Joel Chiweru. Till we meet in the next hour.
Janan Schools. We strive to excel.